Most beginner think Facebook ads is just random writing, but actually company hires copywriters to write ad that stop people from scrolling, grab attention, get a customer and sales. Not a looking ad that sounds same and don't make anyone stop. And one thing beginner don't realize, even a simple Facebook ad has audience search and structure behind it. There are strategy behind every ad. So in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how a copywriter actually write a Facebook ad for clients that get clicks, sales, leads and whatever action businesses want from audiences. And I'm also gonna show you why understanding the audience is much more important than trying to write grammatically perfect English and using fancy vocabulary. Because good copywriting is not about sounding smart, it's about understanding and targeting people and writing in the way that they talk so people can take action. So keep watching. First, what is a Facebook ad? Facebook ad is a paid message businesses use to promote their product and services for specific people on Facebook and Instagram. And if you are beginner, don't confuse between Facebook ad and Facebook ad manager, because copywriter write a message of the ad while Facebook ad manager technically run the ad and target the audience. After understanding what Facebook ad is, now let's come to the most important part. This part decide whether you earn as copywriter in the future or stay beginner who never gets client. And also this part decide whether your ad get clicks, sales, lead and whatever action business want from audiences. And the thing is understanding who you writing for. One of the biggest mistake beginner make that they write same ad for everyone, or they go to the ChatGPT, ask write one general ad for everyone. But different audiences need different messaging. For example, some people don't even realize they have problem yet, and some people know about problem and they don't know about solution, and some people know about problem and they are actively searching for solution, and some people know about your product and service but they are still not sure if they are good for them. And here's come most aware audience. They know what they want and they're ready to buy. So think it by yourself. You can't write same copy for everyone. It's like your copy for one audience is solution for other is totally useless, because every audience need different ad. For example, if someone has low energy all day but they don't realize their sleep affect their productivity, so your ad make them aware of their problem. And if someone know about their bad sleep problem and they're actively searching for solution, your ad need to directly talk about your product and services. That's why audience search is much more important in copywriting. And if you don't know how to do audience search, I already made video on this. You can check out that video, link in description. And one important thing you probably notice that not every ad is same length. Some ad are detailed and some ad are 1 to 2 line. And the reason is simple. It depends on your audience. The more aware your audience is, the less you need to explain it. For example, most aware audience already understand the problem, solution and product itself. So your job as copywriter become easier. So let's check out how to write Facebook ad. So your Facebook ad has 3 main parts, which is the hook, the ad body copy and CTA. And there is also supporting part, which is image, text and title and description, which helps you to get more attention and clicks. Let's start with the first part, which is the hook. Your hook should grab attention because the first thing people see. And on Facebook you only have 125 characters before text get cut off with the read more link. So your first few words matters a lot. And another important thing beginner don't realize, your hook should be at the top of your ad because people read first opening line of your ad. And the good hook should create curiosity and make people want to keep reading. For example, let's suppose your audience is around 28 to 30-year-old busy working woman who tried different diet but still not losing weight. So instead of writing something generic like weight loss tips for women, you can write a hook like you are dieting again. My co-worker laughed as I opened another weight loss video on my phone. Now why does this work? Because it feels real and relatable, and audience immediately feel emotionally connected. They think that sound like me. That's why research is very important. I already told you copywriting is not about fancy word. It's about understanding a people and using the same language that they use every day. Now after the hook, comes the ad body copy, and this is the longest part of ad. This is where you explain the problem, connect emotionally with the audience, and introduce the solution. For example, after the hook, the ad body copy can continue like this. Honestly, I laughed too, because after trying strict diets, detox drinks, and starving myself during busy work days, I still wasn't losing weight. By my 30s, I was exhausted. I didn't want a diet that controlled my entire life anymore. I wanted something realistic. Why this part works? It builds emotional connection and the audience feel understood. And one important thing is also the ad copy also depend on how aware your audience already is. For example, if your audience is totally unaware and don't know about the problem, you need more storytelling, explanation, and emotional connection. But if your audience is aware of the problem and actively searching for a solution, now you can directly talk about your product, benefit, proof, or results. Because every part of your ad should make people take the next step. For example, the hook makes people stop scrolling, and the ad body copy makes people keep reading, and the CTA makes people click. Now let's come to the third part, CTA or call to action. This is where you tell people what to do next. The good CTA should not just saying click here or buy now. You should make people interested enough to take a next step. For example, the CTA of this ad can be: if you are busy woman trying to lose weight without strict dieting, download the free habit-based fat loss guide for busy women. This CTA works because it clearly tells who is for, what they're getting, and why they should click. So now let's come to the image text. This is a text written on the image, and it's a very important, most important part, because people first notice image text before reading the ad. So it should be short, clear, and attention grabbing. It's also part of a copywriter job. For example, the image text of this ad can say something like lose weight without strict dieting, or busy woman's fat loss guide. So now let's come to the final part, ad title and description. Your ad title should be around 25 character and description should be around 30 character, and they both should be short and simple, and they both should not say the same thing. For example, your ad title can say something like habit based fat loss, and description lose weight without strict dieting. So together they quickly explain the result and give people reason to click. I hope this video helped you to understand how Facebook copywriting actually works. And if you want to learn more about audience research, hook copywriting, and how to improve your copywriting skill as a beginner copywriter, you can subscribe to my channel because I upload a video every week. And if you're a beginner, don't know about copywriting and where to start and how to practice without client, I also share a copywriting routine. You can download my free PDF link in description. So don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye guys.